Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Darshan and today we'll learn about word sense disambiguation. In computational linguistics, word sense disambiguation is an open problem concerned with identifying which sense of a word is used in a sentence. NLTK use Lesk algorithm for that. In natural language processing, word sense disambiguation, WSD, is the problem of determining which sense, meaning, of a word is activated by the use of the word in a particular context. Given an ambiguous word and the context in which the word occurs, Lesk returns a synset with the highest number of overlapping words between the context sentence and different definitions from each synset. You can see it here in this example. A here face has two different meaning. So that was WSD in NLTK. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.